Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you a 3-roll mill. This is a 4x8, kind of the standard for laboratory roll mills. There's no tag on the machine, but from our experience, this may be a Lehman or a Kent mill. The rolls are smooth and in good condition, however you'll see a little staining on them. You're going to see that in our still pictures when we do show you that. Of course, it does have the end plates on each side. See there, which swing into place for use. Front scraper roller, the rear adjustments you see here. It does have cord rolls. There's the drainage trough, and of course your lines would travel right into there. Your front adjustments, and it does have a lockdown here for the scraper on the front feed roller, or the scraper roller. The safety is inoperable, but mechanically sound condition, running well. If you're doing a product that isn't so demanding, it might be just right for you. We have lots of roll mills in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.